Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to solve one embedded C programming problem. So this is a part of embedded C programming course, which you can enroll for free from our website edcret.in. Just go to this website edcret.in. I will post the link in the description. Scroll down and just enroll on this course, embedded C programming. So we will start with our first problem. This is the problem statement. Write a C program to set or clear a specific bit in an 8-bit register based on user input. Okay. The user provide an 8-bit integer register value, a bit position. Position can be 0 to 7 and a mode. Mode can be 0 or 1. 0 for the clear and 1 for the set. Your task is to modify the register value accordingly and print updated value. So the input format, let's see what is the input format. So on the right side, you can see a code editor and there is one to do. You need to write your logic here. Okay. And this one is the test case function. So it will be checking all the test cases. Okay. And this is the main function. So we are not concerned with the main function and the run test function. We just need to focus on modify bit function. Okay. So I will collapse this functions. So we can just concentrate on this modify bit function. So if you see, the return type of this modify bit function is unsigned char. Okay. So char is of 1 byte and 1 byte means 8-bit, right? So this function take 3 parameter. First parameter is unsigned character reg. Okay. Second parameter is int us and the third parameter is int mode. So let's look at this input format. So this will be more clear from here. So the first parameter is an 8-bit integer representing the register value. So it can be any number from 0 to 255. Okay. So 0 to 255. So this will go in first parameter. The second parameter is the bit position. So it can be 0 to 7 because it is a 8-bit register. So there can be only 8 position and the index start from 0. So 0 to 7. The third parameter is 0 or 1. 1 means to set the bit and 0 means to clear the bit. Okay. So this is the 3 parameter and what this parameter are used for, you can clearly read from here. I hope this is clear. Now, the output format, the modify register value after setting clearing the bit. So we are returning the reg, which is unsigned character. Okay. So we will be modifying this reg, okay, based on mode and position. And we will be returning the same reg variable. I hope this is clear. Okay, so here we have an example. We have input 10, 3, 1. 10 is the register value, 3 is the position, and 1 is the mode. So in binary, we can write 10 like this. Okay, you can open the calculator. Okay, choose the programmer mode and click on decimal. Okay, so if you want to find the binary of 10, just write 10. You can see 10 is represented like this in binary form. Okay, so this is the 4 bit. To make it 8-bit, just add 0 to the left. Okay, so now as per input, we need to modify third bit. So we will be starting with the index 0, index 1, index 2, index 3. So this bit we need to modify, okay, as per index 3. Now, 1 means to set the bit, okay, and we have at third bit position, we have 1. So the bit is already set, so this will have no effect. Now, if the mode was 0, then we need to clear the bit. Okay. So if we clear the bit, this would have become 0. So if you come to here and if all this 6 bit, if this bit becomes 0, all the 6 bit from the left will be also 0. So we are left with 10 only, right? So if I write 10 in binary 1 0, the equivalent is 2 decimal. Okay. So I hope you understand how this program will work. So we have two modes. So we need a decision statement which can differentiate between the mode. The easiest way to do it is using if statement. Okay. So if mode equal to 0, here the bit, and else we can use for set the bit, right? Now to clear the bit, we will be using bitwise AND. So we need to perform the operation on this first parameter reg because we are returning reg. So we need to do operation on reg only. So I will take reg and equal to, here we will be writing the logic. Okay. So reg, to clear the bit, we will be using bitwise AND. Okay. So I am using bitwise and this I'm taking 1 and I will be shifting this to position value. Okay. So currently this logic is not complete because if you add something with 1, the value will not change. So we need to negate this, we need to negate this statement. So to inverse the statement, we can use this tilde symbol. This is we call complement. So whatever result you will get from evaluation of this statement, that will be negated using tilde symbol. Okay. Now we will be writing the set bit part. So here I will again take reg. To set the bit, we will be using bitwise OR. Okay. Logic will remain same. Okay. Just we are not using the tilde symbol because to clear the bit we need 0. We need to add something with 0 to clear the bit. And to set the bit we need 1. Okay. You cannot set the bit using 0. So you need 1 because if you OR is like a addition. So if you add anything with 0, that will remain same. 0 plus 0 is 0 only. Okay. But if you want to make that 0 1, you need to add with 1. Okay. So let's we have written in our code. So let's test this. Okay. Currently this all test cases should pass. I will click on run. Okay, we have some issue here. Okay, this will be like this. Okay, a single equal means we are assigning the value, that will be wrong. And now we will do it again. As you can see, we have passed all the test cases. So I hope you understand this problem properly. And once you write your code and all the test cases passes, you need to just copy this solution and you have to submit. Okay, you have to submit your solution. So for each exercise we have one submission. Okay, submission page also. So you just have to click on start quiz and you just need to paste your solution and submit. After submitting the solution, I will be personally reviewing your answer and will give you feedback. So please enroll on this course. We have very good exercises and more will be added soon. So this will help to increase your embedded programming skill. Thank you so much for watching this video.